Hello, let's learn English with Zenek. It's gonna be fun. Let's go! Hello, and a very warm welcome back to American and British English with Zdenek. I'm Zdenek, your English tutor. It's lovely to have you here. If you're joining me for this vocabulary session, it means you're building on your wonderful foundation, and that's absolutely brilliant. Today, we are expanding your core vocabulary at level A1, the beginner. This level is all about using simple, everyday words to talk about yourself and your immediate world. We'll learn 5 key words you will use all the time. For each one, I'll explain exactly how you can use it, and we'll practice with a clear, simple sentence. Your job is to listen, understand, and repeat. Are you ready? Let's begin. Word 1. Have. You can use it in the following ways. To talk about possession, for example, I have a brother and a sister. I have a brother and a sister. Or to talk about common experiences or needs, like this. I have breakfast at 7 o'clock. I have breakfast at 7 o'clock. Next, the word like. You can use it in the following ways. To talk about your preferences and interests. For instance, I like coffee and I like tea. I like coffee and I like tea. Or to ask someone about their preferences. You would say, do you like music? Do you like music? Now, word number 3, go. You can use it in the following ways. To talk about movement to a place like this. I go to work by bus. I go to work by bus. Or in common phrases about activities. For example, let's go shopping. Let's go shopping. Or I go home at 5 p.m. I go home at 5 p.m. Our fourth word is want. You can use it in the following ways. To express a desire for something. For instance, I want a glass of water. I want a glass of water. To talk about what you would like to do, you could say, they want to watch a film. They want to watch a film. And our final word, can. You can use it in the following ways. To talk about ability. For example, I can speak English. I can speak English. Or to ask for or give permission, like this. Can I open the window, please? Can I open the window, please? Asking for permission. You can open the window. You can open the window. Giving permission. Fantastic job today. Really well done. Today you learned how to talk about what you have, what you like, where you go, what you want, and what you can do. These are powerful tools that you now have in your vocabulary. I really hope you like using them every day. I want you to go out and practice because I know you can. Remember, Every single person who speaks English fluently started exactly where you are right now. They started with these simple essential words. The key is trust and consistency. Trust that these small steps are building something amazing. Now, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Subscribing means you won't miss another vocabulary lesson and it allows me to continue creating great content for you. Keep up the brilliant work, enjoy every moment of your journey, and I will see you in the next video. Cheers for now.